on YouTube. No, not the first, but my first YouTuber level. It's not me, this is just a different person that I know. Doing it, I'm filming it. Stupid Zombies, as you may know. I don't play the game. This is like to see if you want to get it. The suggested age is 9+. Some people don't follow the rules like I do. So just try. So yeah. Yes, you can. Done. Goodbye.